Hi everyone, this is Mary with Sewing for Madison. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to hand stitch a ladder stitch. This can be used in a variety of projects, including sewing up a stuffed animal, a pillow, or any other projects where you need to conceal your stitches. I've also heard this stitch called an invisible stitch, a blind stitch, and also a slip stitch. So whatever you choose to call it, it's super easy and simple to do. Let's get started. Here is the seam we are going to close up. You can use a pin or a clip to help keep the area closed while you prepare and do your stitching. You may need to readjust your clip. Make sure that you hide your knot in your seam allowance. Take a stitch on one side of the fabric parallel to the edge. Then take a stitch on the other side of the fabric parallel to the edge. Continue across the fabric seam to hide the stitches inside. If you're working on a large seam, you may need to pull tight on your string to close it partially. Make sure that you don't close it all the way. Once you get all the way to the end, pull the thread tight to close the seam and hide the stitches inside. You may need to pull on the other end to make it nice and even. Knot the thread by winding it around the needle a couple times and pulling the knot close to the fabric. Then push the needle through the fabric as if you were taking one more stitch. Bring the needle out and cut the thread close to the fabric. Then pull the tail back inside to bury it. I hope you liked that short tutorial on how to do a ladder stitch. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, you subscribe to my channel, and until next time, happy crafting!